The average person sitting on an airplane looking out the window sees an enormous jet engine on the wing. However, they do not spend much time thinking about how those engines are designed and built. Those engines are an engineering marvel designed to last over 40 years. They have 23,000 parts that work in sync. These engines are returned to the factory and refurbished every 5 to 7 years. It takes thousands of engineers to design an engine, and petabytes of data are generated. In that process, thousands of applications and industry regulations are also used. What is astonishing is that the rate of failure is very low. We are all thankful for that. At Viviota Software, we've made it our mission to help engineers accelerate the design, testing, and production of life-changing products and technologies by empowering engineers and scientists to unlock hidden insights with big analog data. Today, data has become more important to the manufacturing lifecycle than ever before. From design and simulation to testing and verification, maintenance, repair and warranty, and research and development, it's data that drives that design cycle. Machine data, sensor data, and video are critical data created during testing and production. An important consideration is that engineering data differs from typical text data and requires special attention. To better understand this, let's compare it to a traditional database that has been newly purchased and installed. What purpose does this have? The answer is nothing. To make it useful, you must first develop schemas, records, and indexes with text-based data. To speed up the process, typically, customers buy a purpose-built application. For example, if it's sales, maybe it's Salesforce. If it's operations, it's SAP. If it's manufacturing, it could be the latest and greatest MES application. Once you have that purpose-built application, your work's not done. You need to add workflows to it, generate analytics, create reports, develop transactions, and create a data log. All of those things take work. Finally, once you've gone through that process and are starting to utilize and fill the database with transactional data, you can develop large language models and automate workflows. This data is typically text-based or object-based for the operations in the back office. Now compare that to the needs of an engineer whose data may be coming from a sensor and is time synchronized. Often this is streaming data or file-based. Millions of floating point numbers are generated for advanced mathematics and statistical analysis. Engineers use the typical tools of the trade like Python, LabVIEW, MATLAB, and Grafana to do visualization, or tools like Power BI. Once you have the data in place, the engineers go through the same processes as the back-office database. AI and ML have incredible promise for developing next-generation products and for engineers to use this to greatly enhance productivity while driving innovation, freeing them up to do the engineering job they were hired to do. At Viviota, we have worked with dozens of customers for the past 10 years. We have developed a process that helps customers get the most value from their data. We call this process the value chain of data. You see, it turns out that customers are good at generating data, but processing and developing insights are another story. To do the engineering job, the ability to easily use engineering data to feed analytics routines is most important. Common tasks like event detection, where critical events can be detected and acted on, root cause analysis, and generating reports for review or making predictions based on that data are high on the engineer's to-do list. Viviota platform enables engineers and companies to get the most value from their data. Our product is called Time to Insight Analytics Studio. Within that product, we have a set of out-of-box analysis capabilities, including enhanced event detection analysis and pre-built KPIs to enable report generation. This work can all be performed with no-code or low-code implementation. In the process, you build the data warehouse, enabling AI and ML models. We also offer our Time to Insight data repository, an engineering data warehouse where engineers can store raw data, metadata, and sensor data, create visualizations, and create a powerful query and search engine. Viviota Software, your future-proof for the next generation of R&D, where engineers can begin to accelerate their design and implementation of the next generation products they're building.